What is fundamental theory of arithmetic? Do you know that? Any one of you? Others, Hemant, children?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. See, fundamental theory of arithmetic is nothing but if you're finding any factorization, suppose you're finding factorization of 20. So what we can write here? 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. Or we can do by first by 5, then 4, then 2, then 2, then 2, then 1. So this 20 factorization can be, someone can write 2 into 2 into 5, and someone may write 5 into 2 into 2. So what they are given, every composite number can be expressed. This is composite number, can be expressed as the product of primes, as the product of primes. This we are just representing in the product of what? Primes. And this factorization is unique. So is this both factorization are unique? This first part and second part is unique or different? This both are different, right? Because here first part 2 into 2 into 5 is coming, but in second part 5 into 2 into 2 is coming. Okay. So every composite can be expressed the product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. So here fundamental theory says that we have to write from small to big number, small to big, that is what? That is ascending order of prime factorization. Ascending order of prime factors. Okay. If everyone will write in ascending order of prime factors, then this both the factors will come what? Same only. The product of primes will be what? Same, exactly same. So this is nothing but what? Fundamental theory of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. And how it will come unique?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And how this will come unique? If we write the prime factors in ascending order. Is it clear to everyone? Like if you're find the lowest common multiple and highest common multiple factor of 120 and 144. How to find? Do you know all of the children? All of you know, right? How to find HCF and LCM. First, you see.
Yes.
So 120 can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You can do same factorization like this only for 120. Okay. For 120, you do like this only. For 144, what you are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So HCF, what is HCF here? HCF is nothing but common thing coming in both. So 2, 2 is coming here, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So here you can write HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means all pairs we are writing here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. What will be LCM? LCM is nothing but same HCF only, and HCF you should multiply with what? What are the pending numbers over there? Okay. Suppose HCF is 24. 24 you write as it is. If you multiply by this one, this red color items, This orange curve you see, you should multiply complete orange part. 5, 2, 3. Okay. So you get it here 24 into 5 into 2 into 3. So multiplying, what you are getting? 720. So like this, we can find the HCF and LCM of two numbers. Anyone having doubt in this? Any one of you having doubt?
No, sir.
If you're having three numbers, you do the same way, okay? If you're having two numbers, then also you do in the same way. Try to find the HCF and LCM in. You find the LCM HCF of this one, 150, 200 and 170. Or better write 250 here. All of you find and tell me what is the HCF of these three numbers. 150, 200 and 250. HCF of 150, 200 and 250. Who is just telling the first answer? 150, 200, 250. What is the LCM and HCF? For 150, what we can write? 15 into 10. So 15 is 3 into 5 into 10.
Sir,
So
sir,
200
the
what?
HCF,
Yeah,
sir, we
HCF,
have to find HCF, right?
HCF and LCM both.
Yeah, so HCF is 50, sir.
Okay, LCM is
Just a minute, sir. I'm finding the LCM.
for 200 we can write here 2 into 5 into 10 into 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then 250 what we can write? 25, 5 5s are 25 into 2 into 5. So what is common? Anyone find the LCM of it? 3 is not common here. We can write here 5, 5, 5. One pair.
Sir, LCM is 24.
LCM is 24. LCM is what? 24 you are saying?
Sir, LCM is 15000.
15000, right? 3 3 3 you are getting. 3 3 you are not getting at all, right? So 2, 2 and 2. So ACF is correct. That is 2 into 5 into 5. That is 50. In LCM 50 into should do 3 into 4 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So 50 into 60. What you are getting here? 3000, no? Are you getting 3000 right? Anyone getting answer other than this? Any one of you getting the answer other than this 3000? Some 3000 something you are getting some different answer, right? Someone is getting different answer, right?
No, sir. I actually did a mistake.
Fine. So now we are having a property, HCF and LCM property, that is product of LCM into HCF, product of LCM into HCF is nothing but product of both the numbers. Suppose you are finding LCM and HCF of 120 and 144, okay? So LCM into HCF, like you can write here, what is the LCM of 120? That is 120 and 144. What is the LCM of it? 720. 720 into 720 into So if you write LCM is 720 into 24, you will get product of two numbers, that is 120 into 144. If you see this LHS part and RHS part, both will be equal. Okay. So product of both numbers should be equal to LCM into HCF. See, there are four items here. One is LCM, HCF, product of two numbers. There are four items. Okay. So any three will be given to you in exam. So you can use this formula. Okay. This is not applicable for three numbers. This property is not applicable for three numbers. Okay, children. This
Okay.
this formula is not applicable of three numbers. That is, if there are, suppose I've given here 150, 200 and 250, then you can't write this A into B into C is equal to LCM into HCF. This is only applicable for two numbers. So we can use the property here, that is LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. Double 2338 is the LCM. This much big LCM is coming. Everyone getting the same answer? Everyone getting the same answer? 22338.
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
you
sir.
people are doing here?
Yes, sir.
306 into 657 divided by 9, right? 306 multiply by 657 divided by 9, right?
Yes, sir.
So get double 2 something. Now fifth question. Check whether 6 to the power n. This is not n. This is 6 to the power n. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with digit 0. Is it possible, children? Is it possible that 6 to the power n ends with digit 0? Is it possible?
sir.
No. because 6 can be written as 2 into 3 form, right? To get 0, we must get 2 into 5. Then only 10 will come, right? 6 to the power n cannot be end with this is 0, because to get 0 we should get in the product of 2 into 5. It should come in the form of 2 into 5 only. Okay. So this 6 to the power n cannot be end with digit 0. Cannot be end with digit 0. Okay. So next question is, explain why 11 into 13 into this part are composite numbers. Why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 plus 4, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Can you explain this? Why these both are composite numbers? What are composite
Yes, sir.
numbers? Yeah. What we can do in
They have
that?
Yeah.
multiple.
What we
Yes,
have
sir.
to do?
13 can be taken as common, sir. That's why it's a composite number.
Yeah.
So it has more than one factor. 13 is a factor, so it has more than two factors, and
Yeah.
it is a composite number. And here also there is 5 common between the two numbers, where plus is there, so it's also a composite number.
Yes.
And 5 is a second factor of both.
So there are more than two factors, right? In both the cases,
Yes.
there are more than two factors. I don't know. Pen tab is something is problem. The pen tab, I think, simply here and there is going automatically. It's going here and there. So see, in first case, what you do, children? So in first case, you take 13 as a common. Okay, you can write 13 as a common here, and in bracket you can write 7 into 11 plus 1. Okay, all of you can write 13 as common in bracket, 7 into 11 plus 1. Okay, so 13 in bracket you can write 78. Again, 78 you can take as prime factorization. So what we can write? 13 into 13 into what we can write? 78 will go in which table? That 13 into 6, right? 78 you can do 230, means you can, there are so many factors will come, right? 78 again you can factorize, there will be more than two factors. Again in second case, you can take 5 as a common. So in bracket you can write 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 1. So this is also common for, this is also having more than two factors. Okay. So next question is, see this seventh question, just try to understand what the second question they're asking here. 6 minutes. Wow, what you are doing, Rishi? You got 6 minutes. What you did here, Rishi? You got 6 minutes here, right? Wow. You're taking LCM or HCF? What you're doing here? Can you hear me?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Nothing is wrong today. Nothing is working properly. Okay, children, sorry for today. This is not working properly. Okay, paint tab is not working properly. We just
Sir, your voice is clear for me.
voice maybe some due to not a problem, it might be not getting properly, right? And paint tab is not working completely thoroughly, I think. So we do on the next day, okay? On the next day we'll start. Will take much time, okay?
All
Just
right.
try to finish, okay? Thank you all, children. Today you can leave the meeting. It's not working. I can't able to write here.
Sir, I think it must have hanged. Try to restart the device.
Yeah, just restarting. Yeah, I should restart the device actually. I should shut down it. Everything it should start. That's the main.
Yes.